What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to a website where you can earn in USDT on a daily basis just by completing simple tasks. Okay, it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, guys. All right, so make sure you watch this video completely. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Cam's TV. And what we'll do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Cam's TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on the website homepage right now, and the name of this platform is called Lazada. All right, so guys, the Lazada platform is actually an e-commerce platform that is based in Singapore. Okay, it actually has to do with buying and selling of goods and services right here on the internet. All right, so guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can benefit on this website each and every single day just by completing simple tasks available for you right here on the Lazada e-commerce platform, guys. Okay, so how do you begin? First of all, you need to actually register on this website before you can actually start doing anything right here. Okay, so how do you register? So you can just simply hit on the register button down below here that says register. You just simply hit on it. Okay, and then you actually fill in your name. You can fill in your nickname up here. You can also fill in your phone number, and then you create a login password and as well a phone password for yourself. Okay, and mind you guys, before you can actually register on this website, you need an invitation code. Okay, so without an invitation code, guys, you won't be able to sign up right here on the Lazada website. All right, so this is the basic reason why I'm going to be leaving the invitation code on my Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is join my Telegram channel to get access to the invitation code right here for the Lazada website. All right, so when you actually don't fill in all the stuff, you just simply hit on the register button down below here, and boom, guys, your account will be created immediately. Okay, so that is basically how you can create an account right here on the Lazada website. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now and just quickly sign into my account so we can actually proceed with how you can start completing tasks to start earning for yourself right here on the Lazada website. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Lazada account dashboard right now. So this is basically how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so you get to see the recharge section right here, the withdrawal section, the invite section, and as well the introduction section. Okay, and down here you get to see the home button, the order button, the tax button, and as well the mine button. Okay, so up here at the top you get to see your yesterday earnings, your cumulative income, and also your earnings for today. All right, and up here shows your nickname and as well your phone number, guys. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like. Okay, so you can just simply hit on the introduction section right here to get to know more about the Lazada platform on your own. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to go back right now, guys. Okay, so right now, what do we actually do to start earning right here on the Lazada e-commerce platform? So guys, what you simply do right here is you first of all need to recharge your account. Okay, so when you actually recharge your account, you're going to be given some series of tasks right here to complete, and when you are done completing the tasks for that day, you can simply make withdrawals right here, and boom, guys, the withdrawals goes into your crypto wallet immediately. Okay, the withdrawals are actually fast right here. So guys, how do you recharge? You can simply recharge by hitting on the recharge button right here, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is actually the USDT TRC20 wallet address that you can use in recharging your account, guys. Okay, so all you simply do is hit on the copy address button down below here, and then you head over to your crypto wallet to send in whatsoever amount of money you actually want to send in right here. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go over to my Binance account right now to send in some amount of money right here to show you guys exactly how this works. Okay, so as you can see, when you are done recharging, you simply screenshot the amount of money you recharged, and then you actually submit it right here. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys everything, but first of all, let's actually go over to my Binance account right now. So I make a deposit into my Lazada account so you guys can see exactly how this works, guys. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my Binance account right now. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says assets. Okay, and right here that says send, I'm going to hit on send right here, and then I hit on on-chain withdraw. Okay, it's going to load up. So over here that says USDT, I'm going to hit on USDT, guys. I'm going to paste the address I copied from the Lazada website a while ago. I'm going to paste it right here. And over here that says network, I'm going to hit on it and select the Tron TRC20. Okay, As you can see, there's actually a network fee of 1 USDT. Okay, so that is no big deal, guys. And over here that says withdraw amount, I'm going to be sending in the sum of 10 USDT into my Lazada account. Okay, so I'm going to hit on 11 right here because there's actually a fee of 1 USDT, as you can see down below here. All right, so over here that says withdraw, I'm going to hit on the withdraw button, guys. It's going to load up. Let's give this some time. Okay, so over here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on the confirm button, guys. Okay, guys, so let's just give this some time to load up. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says withdrawal processing 11 USDT. Right, I'm going to hit on this place down here that says view history. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. As you can see, it says USDT minus 10. Okay, so I'm going to hit on it. So it's still processing right now. So when it's actually done processing, I'm going to screenshot the withdrawal slip right here and send it over to the Lazada, platform for them to confirm my deposit, guys. Okay, so that is basically how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to refresh my balance right now to see if I've actually, completed this transaction. Okay, as you can see, it says completed. So I'm going to screenshot right now, guys. Boom. So I just screenshotted right now. So I'm going to head over to my Lazada platform and just submit the screenshot to them. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my Lazada account dashboard right now. So guys, how do I actually send the screenshot to them? So as you can see over here that shows this big plus sign, you just simply hit on it. Okay, and over here is the screenshot I made. I'm going to hit on it and then hit on done right here, guys. So it's going to load up right now. Let's give this some time, guys. Okay. All right, so this is it. So over here that says amount, I'm going to hit on it and just type in 10 USDT. Okay, and then over here that says submit, I'm going to hit on the submit button, guys. As you can see, it says success. Okay, so let's just give this some time, just about 3 to 5 minutes before the balance adds up right here. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now, guys. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my home screen, and as you can see up here, my account has been topped up with 10 USDT, guys. Okay, so how do you start completing task? So all you simply do is hit on the task section down below here, guys. As you can see, I'm going to hit on it right now. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says total tax for today is 60 tax and remaining tax right here says 60 tax. Okay, so this actually means that we haven't completed any tax at all. So how do you start completing tax? So if you actually want to start completing tax right here, you can just simply hit on the automatic matching over here. Okay, but before you actually do that, you can simply come over here to the matching rules and just simply read through all this, rules right here to get more understanding on what you are getting into. Okay, so that is basically what you need to do. So I'm going to go back right now and just simply hit on the, automatic matching over here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here, guys, this is the first order for today. And it says, congratulations on your successful match. So over here it says that the order amount is $9 and the commission I'll be getting for this match is $0.03 and the expected return dollar will be $9.03. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says submit order. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I just completed one order right now and I currently have $10.04. Okay, I'm going to hit on it again. Okay, we're going to hit on automatic matching again. As you can see, the next one is also $0.03. I'm going to hit on submit order. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I've completed 2 tasks already and I currently have 0.07 as my commission for today. So I'm going to pause this video right now, just quickly complete the remaining 58 tasks you see right here, and then I show you exactly how we can actually make withdrawals. Okay, so guys, I'm going to pause this video right now, so let's go. Okay, guys, so before we proceed with completing the remaining tasks right here, there's something very important you need to know. Okay, and that is, as you can see right here, it says remaining tax is 13 and completed tax is 47. Okay, actually hit on this place right here that says automatic matching right now. Okay, it's going to load. As you can see, it says there are uncompleted orders submitted. Okay, so where are the uncompleted orders? If I actually hit on this place right here that says order, as you can see right here, guys, this is actually the pending order. So this order needs to be completed. Okay, but before this order can be completed, you need to actually add up 12.3 USDT on your balance before you can proceed with completing this order, guys. And mind you, this is actually a lucky order. Okay, as you can see, the commission I'll be getting on this order alone is about $4.1, as you can see right here. Okay, and it says that the amount I'll be adding to my balance before I can actually complete this order right now is about $12.3. So guys, I'm going to go over to my Binance account right now again to actually deposit this sum of $12.3 on my account to actually complete this lucky order. Okay, and mind you guys, this order does not come each and every single time. It comes once in a while. Okay, so when it actually comes, quickly, make a deposit into your account again to actually grab this particular kind of order, guys. Okay, it's actually called a lucky order. So I'm going to go over to my Binance account right now to just make a deposit of $12.3, and I'm going to be right back here. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see right now, I just made a deposit of 13.3, but I'm going to be receiving the sum of 12.3 on my balance. Okay, so I'm going to hit on view history right here. As you can see right here, it says USDT minus 12.3. So I'm going to hit on it. Here we are. So it's currently processing right now. So when it's actually done processing, I'm going to, screenshot the slip right here and submit it over to the Lazada platform. Okay. As you can see right here, it's completed. So I'm going to screenshot again, guys. Okay. So let's go. Okay. So I'm going to head over there right now to just, submit this slip to them for them to actually, grant my deposit. Okay. So guys, let's go. Okay, guys. So here we are again. So I'm going to hit on the big plus sign button right here. Then I simply hit on the screenshot up here and hit on done. Okay, so it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. All right, so I'm going to hit on 12.3 right here, 12.3 right here on the amount. Then I simply hit on submit, guys. As you can see, it says success. Okay, so let's just give this some time before the money actually reflects on my balance, guys. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now. Okay, guys, so as you can see right now, the money just reflected on my balance. So down below here that says order, I'm going to hit on order right now. Okay, and just simply hit on this place right here that says submit order. Boom. So as you can see right now, it says success. Okay, so I just received the lucky order. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says tags and start completing again. As you can see, and I have a balance of $28.09, guys. All right, so that is actually amazing. I'm going to hit on automatic matching again. Okay, I'm going to hit on submit order, guys. Okay, I'm just going to submit the remaining orders and I'm going to be right back here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now. Boom, guys. So as you can see right here, the whole tax has been completed, and as you can see, today's commission is currently 6.95 USDT. Okay, so this is actually amazing, guys. All right, so how do you actually make withdrawals? So it's quite easy. All you simply do is over here that says mine, you just simply hit on mine right here. Okay, and then this place right here that says withdraw, you just simply hit on it. Mind you, guys, you first of all need to bind your withdrawal address before you can actually, make a withdrawal. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that right now. I'm going to hit on withdrawal right here, guys. Here we are, guys. So as you can see over here, it says please set the withdrawal address first. Okay, so I'm going to paste my address right there right now. Okay, so that is my USDT TRC20 wallet address. I'm going to save, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can bind your withdrawal address. All right, so I'm going to hit on withdrawal again. All right, so over here that says enter withdrawal amount, I'm going to hit on all right here, guys. And down here that says fund password, I'm going to enter my fund password right now. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so I'm done entering my fund password. So down below here that says submit, I'm going to hit on the submit button. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says success. I'm going to hit on save right here. So that is basically how you can actually make money right here, completing tax on the Lazada e-commerce website, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for some couple of few minutes to actually receive this money into my Binance account. And when I actually do receive this money, guys, I'm going to be showing you all the proof. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys. So after a couple of few minutes, I received a notification from Binance regarding my deposit. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down my phone right now. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says you have successfully deposited 29 USDT at 2025.09. So I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. So as you can see right here, it says 29 USDT has been completed. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now to my dashboard to confirm this. As you can see right now, I currently have 29.24 USDT on my balance. Okay, so guys, that is basically how you can make the most amount of money for yourself right there on the Lazada e-commerce website each and every single day, completing tasks for yourself. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you just watched right now here on YouTube. You'd always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.